Good morning. My name is Bisal Dimalchina. I am studying in Virinchi college in second semester. Welcome to Tech News. So the news is Unreal Engine 5 being a big deal. Unreal Engine 5 is one of the most popular game engines, which has been a popular thing since games were developed. Unreal Engine 1, 2, 3, 4 and now currently in 5 we have emerged a lot. Unreal Engine 5 being established or distributed in 2022 April has been a big difference from Unreal Engine 4. Unreal Engine 5 provides many features which we can play along. Unreal Engine 5 has three main features which was very immersive from Unreal Engine 4. Three main features are Lumen, Nanite and MetaHumans. Talking about Lumen, Lumen is all about shadows and exposure and the lightning that the scene creates. Without being hasty and being boresome to the creators, by using Lumen it can be easy and effective also. Nanite provides the user and the creators to provide art assets which is not fake as in other games and is real. Even the tiny bit details of the game or the engine which we are running that is fully real and nothing is fake. So last one is MetaHuman. MetaHuman refers to the creation of characters which we can give life to. If we know about Cyberpunk 2077, there was a custom MetaHuman creation which was of Keanu Reeves. Keanu Reeves was a custom MetaHuman creation which was done from Unreal Engine 4, but coming to Unreal Engine 5, it has emerged a lot. MetaHumans can be created from simple human characters to big difference characters. So this was the news. Thank you.